Hello everyone, this is Gloria from XCNTRUCK Vehicle Sales Company Limited. Today, I will show you a special vehicle, XCMG truck-mounted concrete boom pump HB37V. Let's go! Now, here behind us is one unit right drive concrete pump truck, and it will be delivered to Africa today. And its placing boom reach height can be 37 meters. XCMG is one of the best brands of China construction machinery brand. As its star product of concrete pump truck, HB37V has SITRAK chassis and it can travel at a top speed of 95 kilometers per hour. Firstly, let's see the cab. It adopts the standard cab, one sleeper and air conditioning, providing a comfortable working environment for driver. All important information is clearly shown in the central instrument panel. Some spare parts also in the cab. It adopts the SINOTRUK engine and gearbox to provide sufficient power. It's about 228 kilowatt, and its displacement is about 7 liters. Okay, let's see the tire. We often adopt 12.00R20 for different working environments, and our customer also choose 14.00R20. It will be more stronger and durable. Above is all contact today. We have export machines like wheel loader, excavator, bulldozer, and dump truck and other machines to over 120 countries. If you have any other machines requirements, please contact us at any time. Thanks for listening. Bye!